two spices, one combination, and a reaction inside your body that can't be undone. Sounds like an exaggeration? I thought so too, until I learned what happens when cloves meet cinnamon. These two ingredients have been used for thousands of years, but not as seasoning, as medicine. And when you mix them in warm water and drink it, your body starts to respond. Quietly at first, then in ways you can feel. Some of these changes are incredible, but one of them you need to be very careful with. But here's where most people make a mistake. And this is where things start to go wrong. There's one way people use this combination that can completely flip the benefit into harm, and almost nobody talks about it. We'll get to that, but first you need to hear everything. I'm about to walk you through what actually happens inside your body when you start drinking clove and cinnamon water together. Real changes, not theories, not clickbait. Things people actually feel and notice. But the last one on this list, that's the one that changes everything. And honestly, it might be the reason you clicked on this video in the first place. Number 1, your gut may start working like it hasn't in years. Most people walk around with a gut that's barely functioning. Bloated after every meal, heavy, sluggish, stomach sitting there like a brick and nothing moves. Cloves support the production of digestive enzymes. Cinnamon may help calm irritation in the gut lining. Together, they create an environment where your digestive system can actually do its job. Less bloating, less discomfort. Food moves through the way it should. Some people notice this within the first few days. And this is what most people completely miss. When your gut works properly, everything else improves. Nutrient absorption, energy levels, even your mood. Your gut is connected to more systems than you think. Fix the gut and the rest starts to follow. But here's the mistake. Drinking this on a full stomach, right after a heavy meal, expecting instant relief. That's not how it works. Empty stomach, morning before food. That's when it does what it's supposed to do. Before we move on to the second reason, a quick but important truth. 99% of you watching right now are not subscribed. If you're interested in powerful natural combinations like mixing cloves with cinnamon, known for their remarkable health-boosting effects, if you find this video useful, please hit the like button and subscribe. Now let's move on to the recipes. To help you target specific health concerns, here are powerful and easy recipes. 1. For digestion and bloating, make a simple clove tea. Boil 3 to 4 cloves in a cup of water for 5 minutes. Drink it warm after meals to relieve gas, cramps, and indigestion. 2. For diabetes and blood sugar, try clove water. Soak 2 cloves overnight in a glass of water. Drink this first thing in the morning on an empty stomach to help regulate blood sugar and reduce insulin spikes. 3. For colds and cough, a clove and honey remedy is perfect. Crush 2 cloves and mix them with 1 teaspoon of raw honey. Take this before sleep to clear your throat, relieve coughing, and ease breathing. 4. For toothache and gum problems, use a clove oil massage. Mix 2 drops of clove oil with 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. Gently apply this mixture to your gums or the painful tooth to numb pain and reduce bacteria. 5. For arthritis and joint pain, a warm clove balm can provide relief. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil and add 5 crushed cloves. Let it infuse, then strain the oil. Massage the warm oil onto your knees or stiff joints to improve circulation and reduce inflammation. 6. For heart and blood circulation, drink clove and ginger tea. Boil 2 cloves and a thin slice of ginger in hot water for 5 minutes. Drink this in the morning to improve blood flow, warm the body, and strengthen your heart. 7. For immunity and energy, make a clove and cinnamon mix. Grind 2 cloves with a small piece of cinnamon stick. Add this powerful powder to your smoothies, oatmeal, or even your coffee for a daily immune boost. 8. For stress and anxiety, prepare a clove inhalation therapy. Add 3 to 4 crushed cloves to a bowl of steaming hot water. Lean over the bowl. Cover your head with a towel and inhale the fragrant steam deeply for 5 to 10 minutes. The eugenol acts as a natural relaxant for the nervous system, helping to calm the mind and reduce feelings of stress. 9. For sinus congestion and headaches, create a clove steam inhaler. Follow the same method as for stress, but add a teaspoon of dried mint or eucalyptus leaves to the hot water with the cloves. Inhaling this potent antiseptic and anti-inflammatory steam will help open up blocked sinuses, drain mucus, and relieve sinus headache pressure. 10. For skin fungus and athlete's foot, make a potent antifungal clove soak. Brew a strong clove tea by boiling 10 cloves in 2 cups of water for 10 minutes. Let it cool completely. Soak clean feet in this tea for 20 minutes daily. The powerful antifungal properties of eugenol will help combat stubborn skin infections effectively. 11. For nausea and motion sickness, try a clove and lemon elixir. Steep 2 crushed cloves and a slice of lemon in a cup of boiling water for 10 minutes. Sip this soothing drink slowly. The combination is highly effective in settling an upset stomach and preventing nausea without drowsiness. 12. For lower back pain and muscle spasms, use a warming clove and mustard oil liniment. Gently heat half a cup of mustard oil. Add 10 to 12 crushed cloves and heat on low for 5 minutes. Let it cool, then strain. Use this oil to massage the painful area. It deeply penetrates muscles, relieves spasms, and reduces inflammation. 13. For sore throat and laryngitis, gargle with a clove and salt water solution. Crush 2 cloves and add them to a glass of warm water with half a teaspoon of sea salt. Gargle with this mixture for 30 seconds 3 to 4 times a day. This provides intense antibacterial action and soothes inflamed throat tissues directly. 14. For improved memory and focus, incorporate a clove and walnut brain tonic. Blend 2 crushed cloves with a handful of walnuts and a cup of milk or plant-based milk until smooth. Drink this regularly. Cloves improve circulation to the brain, while walnuts provide omega-3s, creating a powerful cognitive enhancer. 15. For bad breath halitosis, use a whole clove as a natural breath freshener. Simply place 1 clove in your mouth and gently suck on it. You can also crush it slightly with your teeth to release the oils. Its strong antibacterial properties will kill odor-causing bacteria in your mouth for hours, acting like a natural breath mint. Important precautions and warnings. While cloves are beneficial, it is crucial to use them safely. Please listen carefully. Do not eat more than 2 to 3 cloves per day. Higher doses can irritate your stomach and cause discomfort. If you are on blood-thinning medication, you must avoid this remedy as cloves can increase the risk of bleeding. Pregnant and breastfeeding women should always consult a doctor before trying this. And finally, always soak or chew cloves slowly. Never swallow them whole and dry, as they can be too strong for your stomach lining and may pose a choking hazard. Conclusion. So what is the final result? After eating 2 cloves every day for a week, you can feel lighter, your digestion improves, your immunity gets stronger, and your blood sugar becomes more stable. This small common spice is truly one of nature's most powerful hidden medicines, with a surprising range of uses from relieving pain to sharpening your mind. But remember, the key is consistency and moderation. Try these simple recipes for your specific health needs and let your body feel the difference. If this video gave you valuable natural health tips, please give it a like. Share it with a friend who needs to see it, and subscribe to our channel for more ways to unlock nature's pharmacy. Thanks for watching, and remember, sometimes the smallest things, like a couple of cloves, bring about the biggest changes to your health. Or is this the first time hearing about what they can do together? Type truth if this opened your eyes.